Looking for the best tennis racket to elevate your game in 2026? Whether you're a beginner learning the basics, an intermediate player refining your technique, or an experienced competitor chasing more power, spin, and precision, choosing the right racket can make a huge difference on the court. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best tennis rackets of 2026, comparing their performance, comfort, control, power, spin potential, and overall value. From all-around favorites to rackets designed for aggressive baseliners and control-focused players, we've selected options to suit every playing style and budget. Be sure to watch until the end to discover which tennis racket takes the #1 spot and find the perfect match for your game. And don't forget, the product links are available in the description below, so you can check the latest prices, specifications, and availability. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest gear reviews and buying guides. Number 5. Senston Tennis Rackets. Looking for a high-value tennis racket set that has everything you need to hit the court? This all-in-one tennis racket bundle is an excellent choice for beginners and recreational players, featuring 2 lightweight 27-inch rackets designed for easy handling, improved swing speed, and enhanced comfort. Built with durable one-piece molded construction, these rackets deliver the perfect balance of power, control, and long-lasting performance, while the open string pattern helps generate stronger, more consistent shots. The complete package also includes a premium carry case, 3 tennis balls, 2 overgrips, and 2 vibration dampers, making it an outstanding value for couples, friends, or anyone starting their tennis journey. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and ready-to-play tennis set, this is a fantastic option that combines quality, convenience, and performance in one package. Check the Amazon link in the description below to learn more and get the latest price. Number 4. Neon Tennis Rackets. Looking for a stylish and beginner-friendly tennis racket set that delivers both performance and value? The trendy neon pink and blue tennis racket set is designed to help you step onto the court with confidence and personality. Featuring a vibrant pop color design with a premium matte finish, these lightweight 9.2 aluminum rackets reduce arm fatigue for faster swings and longer play sessions. The oversized 105 square-inch head creates a larger sweet spot for improved accuracy and easier shot making, while the pre-strung strings provide a balanced blend of power and control right out of the box. A double-layer cushioned grip offers superior comfort and a secure, non-slip hold, even during intense rallies. Complete with 2 adult rackets, 3 durable pressureless tennis balls, 2 bonus overgrips, and a heavy-duty carrying bag, this all-in-one set is perfect for beginners, couples, friends, family outings, vacations, or casual matches at your local court. Whether you're learning the game or looking for a fun gift, this stylish tennis set has everything you need to play anywhere. Number 3. Head TIS6 Tennis Racket. If you're looking for a lightweight tennis racket that combines power, comfort, and forgiveness, the Head TIS6 Tennis Racket is an outstanding choice for beginners, recreational players, and improving intermediate athletes. Its oversized 115-pin head creates a massive sweet spot, making it easier to hit clean, confident shots while reducing misshits. Weighing just 8.6 ounces, strung, this racket delivers fast swings, quick net reactions, and reduced arm fatigue for extended practice sessions or competitive matches. The titanium and graphite composite frame offers an excellent balance of durability, stability, and effortless power, while the 27.7-inch extended length provides extra reach, stronger serves, deeper ground strokes, and enhanced spin thanks to its 16x19 open string pattern. Best of all, it comes pre-strung with a comfortable head soft-tack grip, so it's ready to hit the court right out of the box. If you're searching for one of the best lightweight tennis rackets to improve your game in 2026, the Head TI.S6 is a reliable, high-performance option worth considering. Number 2. Hirali Tennis Rackets. If you're looking for an affordable and beginner-friendly tennis set, this complete 2-player tennis kit is an excellent choice for casual matches, practice sessions, and family fun. It comes with 2 27-inch adult tennis rackets, 3 pressureless tennis balls, 2 spare overgrips, and a convenient carry bag, giving you everything you need to start playing right away. The rackets are built from high-grade aviation aluminum with a thickened frame that offers enhanced durability while remaining lightweight at just 260 grams, helping reduce arm fatigue and making it easier for beginners to develop proper swing technique. A reinforced triangular Y-joint adds extra stability and shock absorption for a more comfortable, controlled feel with every shot. Available in stylish pink, black, and blue color options, this tennis set also makes a thoughtful gift for couples, families, students, or anyone looking to enjoy the game of tennis. 1. Wilson Intrigue SE105. The Wilson BLX Basalt Carbon Fiber Composite Tennis Racket is designed to give players the perfect balance of power, comfort, and control on every shot. Built with BLX Basalt Carbon Fiber Composite technology, the woven basalt fibers help filter out unwanted vibrations for a cleaner, more responsive feel at ball impact, allowing for greater confidence and precision. The perimeter weighting system increases frame stability by adding weight at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions, improving torsional stability and creating a smoother, more balanced swing. To enhance comfort during long matches and practice sessions, the Cushion Air Grip provides a soft, secure hold that reduces hand fatigue while delivering excellent feel on every shot. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or recreational player looking to elevate your game, this Wilson racket offers dependable performance, outstanding comfort, and the trusted quality that has made Wilson a favorite among tennis players worldwide. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best tennis rackets of 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect racket to match your playing style. Whether you're a beginner, an intermediate player, or a competitive athlete looking to elevate your game. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. You'll find links to all of the tennis rackets featured in this video in the description below, making it easy to check current prices, read customer reviews, and learn more about each product. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.